Have you ever looked at your dog while it's sleeping, its paws twitching, tail wagging, maybe even letting out a tiny bark, and wondered, is my dog dreaming right now? That single question has fascinated pet owners and scientists for decades. We know humans dream, but can our furry companions also enter a dream world of their own? And if yes, what exactly do they dream about? Stay with me, because the science behind dog dreams is both fascinating and heartwarming. Most dog owners have noticed their pups twitch, whimper, or even paddle their legs in their sleep. These little movements are not random. They're a window into what's happening inside your dog's brain. Researchers at MIT studied rats while they slept. They discovered that the same neurons that fired when the rats ran through a maze also fired again during sleep, meaning the rats were literally replaying their day in dreams. And since dogs have even more complex brains than rats, it's very likely they do the same. So, when you see your dog moving its paws in sleep, it might actually be dreaming of chasing a ball, running in the park, or even reliving the moment you gave it a treat. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Dogs, just like humans, go through different sleep cycles. There's a light sleep phase, a deep sleep phase, and then REM sleep, a stage where dreams happen. Scientists say smaller dogs, like Chihuahuas or Dachshunds, enter REM sleep more often and might dream more frequently, while larger dogs like Golden Retrievers or Great Danes have longer but fewer dreams. Imagine that. Your little puppy may be dreaming dozens of times a night, while your big, gentle giant is lost in one long, deep dream. And now the million-dollar question. What do dogs dream about? Well, while we can't ask them directly, brain scans show that their dreams are linked to everyday activities: running, eating, playing, interacting with you. In other words, your dog is probably dreaming about you. Think about it. The moments you share, walks, cuddles, even your voice, are stored in your dog's memory, and at night, those memories replay, creating little dream movies in their heads. Isn't that beautiful? But here's something most owners don't know. Dogs can also have nightmares. Just like humans, they may dream about scary or stressful situations. A rescue dog, for example, might relive past trauma. You might notice them whimpering, growling, or crying in their sleep. What should you do if that happens? Experts say it's best not to wake a dog suddenly. It can confuse or even scare them. Instead, gently call their name or let them wake up naturally. Now, let's bust a common myth. Some people think when dogs sleep a lot, it means they're lazy. That's not true at all. Dogs actually need 12 to 14 hours of sleep per day to stay healthy, and puppies need even more, up to 18 hours. Sleep is essential for their brain development, memory, and overall well-being. So the next time you see your dog snoozing, don't disturb them. They might be in the middle of the best dream of their life. To wrap it up, dogs do dream. They probably dream about their daily life, their favorite activities, and yes, about you. Dreams help them process emotions, memories, and learning, just like humans. So the next time your dog is twitching or softly barking in its sleep, smile, because you're most likely the star of their dream world. Dogs may live shorter lives than us, but in their dreams, every joyful moment with you is replayed again and again. And maybe that's their way of loving you forever.